Are you playing with Sinbad? What's all going on? You want to play with Sinbad. I don't think you would want to play with Sinbad if she got her beaks on you. Sinbad, did you get them? Yeah. You playing? Everybody's getting in on the action? All right, Sinbad, can you get the girls? Can you get them? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Everybody's playing. Sinbad came down to the bottom of the cage to play with you. There you go. Go get him, Sinbad. Fortunately, this doesn't go on all the time. Just when Sinbad comes down to play with them. And Sinbad thinks, Sinbad, do you think you're a dog too? If they got hold of you, it would not be good. But Sinbad seems to know that they're playing. Or Sinbad is teasing them. Right? All right, well, that's the activity that goes on for a spell. Bye.